Learn opposite words. Ancient, modern. Always, never. Alive, dead. All, none. Autumn, spring. Amateur, professional. Annoy, satisfy. Answer, ask. Antonym, synonym. Argue, agree. Arrive, depart. Ask, answer. Artificial, natural. Attic, cellar. Awful, nice. Allow, forbid. Already, not yet. Amuse, bore. Ancestor, descendant. Angel, devil. Animal, human. Answer, question. Apart, together. Arrest, free. Arrival, departure. Ascent, descent. Asleep, awake. Defeat, victory. Attack, defend. Close, open. Bottom, top. Attack, defense. Certainly, probably. Awake, asleep. Back, in front of. Backward, forward. Bad, good. Boy, girl. Brave, cowardly. Break, fakes. Broad, narrow. Careful, careless. Careless, careful. Catch, miss. Ceiling, floor. Cellar, attic. Clever, stupid. Closed, open. Cloudy, clear. Death, birth. Deep, shallow.